case of fetal echocardiogram step-by-step approach. It's a good idea to subscribe the channel because it gives us an encouragement to do better education. Now in this case you see there is RARV are dilated. Now look at the right ventricle, which is hypokinetic, and you find a calcified area inside the RV, and that was papillary muscle calcified. Fossa valis is fine, no cardiomegaly. LALV were perfectly fine. Mitral valve opening well, tricuspid valve not opening so well. So let us dig from here to what the diagnosis is. And if you see here again, now you see a side-by-side color Doppler of the same thing, and these are the phenomena which you see on this patient. If I may go step by step and try to show you, now there is some structure here which we thought it's a VSD, but it's little longish. So second thing in mind was a prominent coronary artery. So let's now try to find out. This is a tricuspid regurgitation, and this is the moderate tricuspid regurgitation, about filling about 50% to 75% of the RA area. And then you see the inflows are looking okay. There is an inflow into the right ventricle. So stay till the end of this video, because at the end I'm going to unveil what is the cause of all that. Now here in this video you see those prominent coronary arteries. Now you see a second one also. We had a first one, that's the second one, and this was not a VSD, which is proven here. You see these coronary arteries which are prominent. C1, this is one coronary artery. Then this is another coronary artery, and you see the bunch of coronary arteries in the right ventricle. So they are ventricular arterial collaterals. DV showed a bad prognostic sign in the way that there was a marked reversal of an A wave in the DV. Then this is the finding what you were all waiting for. Now this is a critical pulmonary stenosis. You see there is a pulmonary stenosis jet across the pulmonary valve, and that's the pulmonary artery, which is good size. RV is good size, but in between here you see the annulus, which is small, and we didn't see the pulmonary valve very well, looked dysplastic to me. And when we did interrogate with a Doppler, we had a velocities which was not measurable on a pulse Doppler, because velocity was higher than the Nyquist limit of the pulse Doppler. So what we did, which I think should be there in your machine as well, it is there in my machine. You put the CW Doppler, and once you do a CW Doppler, you can actually take a measurement of the velocity. It was definitely more than 3.6 meters per second. Very high velocities across the pulmonary valve. And then another sign, there was a flow with reversal in the pulmonary artery, and you notice the flow, there is a forward flow as well as there is a reversal flow in the pulmonary artery, and this flow reversal in the pulmonary artery is indicative of duct dependence. So this kind of patient should be delivered in a tertiary care unit where duct can be kept open with prostaglandins. Again, I request you guys to please subscribe the channel, so that whenever I post a new video, you will be notified.